successful people don't get there by accident. They get there by identifying their goals and integration habits of minds, body and spirit that support their goals into their daily lives. A very good morning. I, Kritika Pant, welcomes you to a digital assembly with my classmates of grade 8C. No day can be started without remembering our Almighty. So join your hands and close your eyes for the morning.
तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारे, कोई ना अपना सिवा तुम्हारे। तुम ही हो नैया, तुम ही खेवैया, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो जो कल खिलेंगे वो फूल हम हैं, तुम्हारे चरणों की धूल हम हैं। दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो माता पिता, तुम ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम ही हो।
Today, I am Parth Pandey here for speaking vision of the school. To inculcate moral and ethical values among students along with academic excellence and all-round qualitative development with practical knowledge, deep-rooted value system by providing contemporary education to serve for larger cause of society and nation. Thank you.
Divyanshu Rathore of grade 8C. Pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of a rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along lies my happiness. Thank you.
Through these daily habits that progress is enjoyed. As you start making progress toward your goal, a couple of great things happen. First, your habits become part of your normal daily routine and are no longer things you need to decide to do or even think about. They just happens. Second, the success you enjoy through the implements of your habits enforce your positive changes and propel you to new levels of success. Everyone has his or her own ideas of success. Usually it is defined by the things that their soul craves the most. It can be money, fame, weight loss, freedom, power, affection, love or security. It is different for everyone. Usually the surface idea of success is desired as a way to cover or protect a soul for the underlying deeply buried pains of childhood. Thank you.
Be careful of your thoughts, they become actions. Be careful of your actions, they become habits. Be careful of your habits, they become character. And be careful of your character, they become your future. A very good morning to all of you. Today, I am Manisha Rana with my grade 8th C is here to represent today's digital assembly. And the theme of our assembly is Your Habits Decides Your Future. Your habits are the one who can speak a lot about your future. Your daily habits decides your future. You are a result today of your yesterday's habits. If you have a habit of waking up early in the morning and studying so you can perform better. If you have a habit of taking breakfast, you are all charged up in the morning with enough energy for the day's activities. If you have a habit of giving and caring, then you get to be a better person in terms of and hence feel good for yourself and also all the people around you. All these things that you gain, make, practice, do contribute to your future.
Hello class, my name is Prajwal Martolia of class 8C and today I am singing the national anthem in front of you all. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे